Welcome to JH. Here is how to import and utilize Figma libraries. Begin by signing into your Figma profile and selecting Explore Community from your main dashboard. Use the search field to find a specific library or look through community files for design systems and libraries. Open your chosen library file and hit Duplicate in the top right to save it to your workspace. Once duplicated, navigate to the Assets panel on the left. If you have a professional or organization plan, you can share this library across projects. Open the file and access the Team Library menu through the Assets panel or the Figma icon in the top left corner. Select Publish Library to share it with your team. You can always update the library later by republishing any changes. After publishing, activate the library in any project by clicking Assets, choosing the Team Library icon, and switching it on. You can now use all the components, styles, and assets within your designs.